Welcome to Days Inn Suites by Wyndham Thibodaux. Experience Southern hospitality at our hotel, located minutes from downtown and 32 miles from Louis Armstrong International Airport. Academy Sports Plus Outdoors is walking distance from our location, and if you're visiting students at Nicholls State University, we're just minutes away. Close to historic downtown and Mardi Gras events. Located minutes from downtown and 32 miles from Louis Armstrong International Airport, MSY. We offer full hot breakfast. Take a boat out on the Louisiana Bayou or play 18 holes at Bayou Country Club, less than 3 minutes from our hotel. Luxury bedding, spacious accommodations, and upgraded amenities make for a comfortable stay. DaysInnThibodaux.com